So today we will be discussing about cell and the basic structure of cell. Cell is the basic unit of any plant or animal. Cell is the basic unit of a living organism, and cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. So there are two types of cell. Prokaryotic, basically cells are two types: prokaryotic and eukaryotic. And cells have organelles. Prokaryotic cells doesn't have defined organelles, whereas eukaryotic cells have defined organelles. The example of prokaryotic cells are virus cells, are bacteria, and then eukaryotic cells are animal cells, plant cells, yeast, etc. Virus cannot be defined as a living or a non-living member. It is between in them. Virus is in between living and non-living material. So what are the organelles are present in a cell? Basic important organelles which are present in a cell, in a eukaryotic cells, are first nucleus. Nucleus is the brain of a cell because nucleus controls the whole function of a cell. Second is mitochondria, is the energy unit of a cell. Free Golgi apparatus. For endoplasmic reticulum. 5. Lysosome. They are the basic organelles which are present in cell, and not last but not the least, ribosome, which is called as protein factory. All the important proteins which are needed in our body to function properly are synthesized in ribosomes. And lysosome is the endocytotic vesicle. Endoplasmic reticulum is the is the organelle where protein can be modified in that endoplasmic reticulum. So these are the basic organelles which are present in eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotes, nucleus is not well defined, and so nucleus cannot be called as a proper nucleus in prokaryotic cells. Mitochondria is also not well defined. So this is the basic structure of a cell, and cell has a cell membrane outside of the cell, just like the suppose this is a cell. It has a two-layered membrane outside of the cell, and uh, outside of a cell membrane is as a cell wall. This is a cell wall. This is a cell membrane, and this is the cell. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. Cell wall is present only in plant cell, and in between the cells, there the organelles are scattered and a liquid form inside, which is called cytoplasm, and the organelles are scattered inside the cytoplasm. And organelles like mitochondria, nucleus, suppose this is nucleus, this is mitochondria, all are scattered inside the cytoplasm. So here is the basic structure of the cell. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.